What are programs? Programs are preset sound settings that help you hear better in specific environments, like the places you frequent. These may be set up by your hearing care professional based on your lifestyle and hearing needs. For example, you may have a personal program set as your everyday hearing setting, or one just special for your daily walk. Or if you go out to eat often, a program for restaurants. To use a program, just tap the Programs button on your app home screen. You'll then see a list of your programs. Tap the one you want to use, and your hearing aid settings will change to give you the best sound for that environment. You can choose a program that was set by your hearing care professional, or a custom program you created yourself. If you don't have any custom programs and would like to create one, tap the Custom tab and then Add. Next, choose a name for your program from the list, or tap Custom and enter your own name. Finally, choose an icon to represent your program. Tap Save and your program is ready to use. Remember, you can adjust the sound settings of your custom program at any time. When you're in the program on the home screen, just tap the Program Options icon and select Adjust Sound.